They're important because academics can't just stay within law schools, but also people in practice can't just spend all of the time in courts. We do need to occasionally step back and be better lawyers for the fact that we're hearing different perspectives.
Projects like this are really important. My organisation believes completely in collaboration, and indeed it's our vision to collaborate nationally and internationally. Too often we work in silos, be that silos of our own expertise, but even if we do work at a multi-sectorial level, it can often be nationally, and we're not getting the benefit of international expertise, nor indeed contributing what could be good practice in Scotland outwards.
Particular fields that are being looked at here are immigration law and crime. Things can go very badly wrong when criminal practitioners don't know about immigration law and immigration lawyers don't know about criminal law. Also, just the opportunity for people to have a bit of time, a bit of space, a bit of leisure to catch up with developments in fields which are notoriously very fast-moving. They always have been, but of course Brexit adds an additional dimension of speed and uncertainty to the way that these areas of law are developing.
So my expertise is in the area of human trafficking, but today I have already and will take away far deeper understanding of areas that touch on the work I do, but I don't have particular expertise in. And therefore, I've deepened and broadened my understanding, both from an international and national perspective, in broader areas around about extradition, prosecution, and how that does link to the work that I do.
Lots of case law, lots of authorities, plenty of things for me to look up should I need them. And although I'm not involved directly in extradition, I do have clients and solicitors who are, and it's going to be extremely useful for me to know that.
I think the great thing to take away from today's discussions is just the need to have discussions like the ones we're having today. It's a great opportunity to bring academics and practitioners to discuss these questions, but also because these questions are some of the most pressing questions we're dealing with in the law today, and they require different perspectives on them, and that's what we're getting today.